The lecture exams. Each lecture exam is located in a week in the course following the course schedule. For instance, Exam 1 is found by clicking on the Week 3 tab. You should have completed all of the work in weeks 1 and 2 before you take Exam 1. Then, working further ahead, Week 5 contains Exam 2, and Week 7 contains Exam 3. We're going to go back to Exam 1 as it's the first exam you'll be taking in the course. When you've completed the works in weeks 1 and 2 and you're ready to take Exam 1, you do so by clicking on the title in that module. That will take you to the page that has information about Exam 1, including the due date and time, the points, the number of questions, which all exams 1, 2, and 3 are 50 multiple choice questions each, the availability, which matches the due date and time, and the time limit. Each of the exams 1, 2, and 3, have a 90-minute time limit. The 50 multiple choice questions are chosen at random and cover all of the topics up to that exam. So Exam 1 is everything up to Exam 1. Then Exam 2 is everything after Exam 1 up to Exam 2, and then Exam 3 is everything from Exam 2 up to Exam 3. You have one attempt to take the exam and you must finish it within the 1 hour and 30 time-minute limit once you have begun it. Remember, the questions come from the same pools of questions as the quizzes, so you may see some questions that you've had previously.